Hyderabad, the capital of Andhra Pradesh, is a blend of old world charm with all the trappings of a city on the go. It has excellent connectivity by air, road and rail with many cities in India. Signature monuments like Charminar and Golconda Fort, modern shopping malls, the city's own Hyderabadi pearls, authentic Hyderabadi biryani, entertainment hubs, wildlife parks, lake cruises and more. Hyderabad is well known for its Mehman Nawazi or great hospitality. You have a choice of quality hotels to accommodate you on your visit to the city.
Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University is situated in the city of Kukatpally, Hyderabad, has an environment of excellence with A-grade accreditation by NAAC.
Welcome to ICONC 2014 being organized by JNTU Hyderabad.
This spark of knowledge to young minds and instilling new confidence to face the world, it is providing quality education for nearly 5 decades. It has overall intake of about 1,000 students per year.
This is a very good forum for people from various streams to interact, exchange ideas and bring out new thoughts and methodologies for giving solution for a developing country like India, where we have several challenges.
I have pleasure to welcome you all for this International Conference on Nano Science, Engineering and Applications to be held at JNTU University.
In DUFR, we have more than 650 students from 33 countries all over the world who are admitted in JNTU University.
Institute of Science and Technology is one of the constituent units of JNTUH, has number of centers to form strong nucleus. JNTU has started functioning with IST from 1991. As any technological upgradation within JNTUH, IST provides certain facilities. The basic objectives of IST offer centers are in the emerging areas of research and education in the fields of engineering.
Hello, it's my privilege to welcome all the delegates to the International Conference of Nanoscience and Engineering Applications being organized by Center for Nanoscience and Technology, Institute of Science and Technology, JNTU University, Hyderabad.
Center for Nanoscience and Technology. JNTU also started R&D activities in the field of nanotechnology.
Center for Nanoscience and Technology was established in 2007 in IST JNTUH and it was initially funded by DST Nano Mission of approximately 2 crores.
Center for Nanoscience and Technology is working on 3 projects funded by UGC and DST SERB. The projects are mainly focusing on gas and humidity sensing applications. Center for Nanoscience and Technology is running both MTech and MSc programs with 6 alumni batches in MTech and 2 alumni batches in MSc. Presently, CNST has 6 PhD students, 50 MTech students, 25 MSc students, 15 project students.
Nanotechnology may be able to create many new materials and devices with a vast range of applications such as in the areas of medicines, electronics, biomaterials, chemistry, physics and energy productions.
Center for Nanoscience and Technology is working in different research fields like Synthesis and Processing Lab, Fabrication and Characterization Lab, Simulation Lab, Advanced Simulation Lab, Electronic Lab, Biochemistry Lab.
Nanotechnology has gained widespread popularity and recognition among the students and researchers.
Major facilities available in CNST are Raman spectroscopy for finding the functional groups, DSC, TGA, DTA equipment to determine the thermal properties, AFM with lithography to study the morphology of thin films, X-ray diffraction to find the crystal structures, particle size analyzer to analyze the particle size, UV visible spectroscopy to find out the absorbance of particles, spin coating, thermal evaporation, mini chemical vapor deposition, and nano greenhouse.
Welcome to International Conference of Nanoscience, Engineering and Applications 2014.
Welcome to the International Conference on Nanoscience and Engineering and Applications 2014.
Hi delegates, I am very happy to be a convener of ICONC 2014, which is organized by Center for Nanoscience and Technology. Our group in Center for Nanoscience and Technology has pilot projects which are funded by DST, Department of Science and Technology, CSIR, UGC. In our group we work synthesis of nanomaterials for different applications, starting from graphene oxide for solar cell applications, nanoparticles and core shell for biosensor applications, and we are also working on diluted magnetic semiconductor particles for spintronic applications.
I welcome all the speakers and participants to ICOM CEA 2014, and I hope they will have a pleasant stay here. Thank you so much.